Namaskar. Welcome to Jackson Inns. My name is Som Prakash Malik. I am the Area General Manager at Jackson Inns. Jackson Inns is India's first IGBC Platinum rated hotel in its class. I would like to take you through all the initiatives which we have taken at Jackson Inns to make it a green hotel. If we talk about green energy, we have 510 kilowatt plug-in load. We are producing 421 kilowatt. All the excess solar power generated is fed into the state grid through net metering. We are drawing back after as per our consumption requirements. To ensure maximum saving of energy, we are using 100% LED fixtures in the hotel. Apart from that, in our guest rooms, we have the power saving units in the room. One has to insert the card to switch on the power, and once the card is taken off, the power goes off, and it saves the unnecessary wastage of the power in the room. We are using motion sensor in all our public areas and the corridors. It helps us in saving a lot of electric energy. We are using VRF system for air conditioning in the hotel. It gives us the flexibility of adjusting the electricity consumption as per our occupancy and operational demand. We are using heat pumps to provide hot water in the room. We have different capacity of heat pumps. Therefore, as per the occupancy, we use different capacity heat pump. Heat pumps generate extremely cool air as an output, which we recirculate into the kitchen. We have two different capacity of generator at Jackson Inns. Whenever the energy requirement is low, the lower capacity generator kicks in. With this DG load balancing, we save lots of fuel. During the construction of the building, fly ash bricks were used. Fly ash bricks are made of the waste from the thermal power plants. It reduces the dead load to the structure due to its lightweight and provides high strength. We are cooling our rooms as efficiently as possible using VRV system. In addition, we are using double glazed windows to create an insulation which blocks UV rays and prevents the rise of temperature inside the room, hence helping in conserving the cool air inside. We are using high SRI reflective paint on our roof and exterior walls. This helps us in reducing heat island effect in the building. For the water conservation, we have installed rain harvesting system which is connected to this well. So all the water during the rains from throughout the building comes and gets collected in this. Before the monsoon, we had a lot of algae in our well. We have added the fish called the million fish or rainbow fish in the well, which has eaten all the algae. We have installed digital meters at strategic places all around the hotel because we believe in what we can measure, we can monitor. This is our STP plant area. All the water from the hotel is collected and treated at this place. The capacity of the STP plant is 80,000 liters a day. The treated water is used in our gardening area, and also the treated water is used for flushing the WC in the rooms. We have ETP to doubly make sure that the laundry discharge does not affect our ecosystem. We are also offering this Indian traditional towel which is called Gamcha. This also consumes very less water and helps us in saving the water. We are using slow flow tap irrigators in the hotel. This helps us in saving a lot of water because it reduces the water consumption to 30%. As you can see, the water flow looks very good and it gives the same kind of experience of a normal tap, but the quantity of water is very less. To save water, we are also using a drip irrigation method in our garden areas, which helps in saving the water. We have constructed waivers to encourage the rainwater harvesting. We have planted more than 350 varieties of plants in the campus, which are perennial and seasonal. Fruit plants like mango, coconut, papaya, fig, lemon, sapota, pomegranate, custard apple. Along with this, there are herbs like parsley, coriander, thyme, lettuce and mint also grown in herb garden. This is our vermiculture compost area. All the food waste from our kitchen comes to this place, and which is used to produce the fertilizers which is used in our vegetable garden. This is our vegetable garden. The fertilizers which are used in this garden are from our vermiculture compost. Our solar farm area, as you can see, we have used the space under the stilt of the solar panel. Here we are doing the vegetable gardening. As you can see, we have had a good crop of tomatoes this year. This is our in-house nursery. This is our in-house laundry. We are using 100% environment friendly and chemical free detergent in this laundry. These are all the products of Diversey. Single plastic is completely banned in our hotel. We are using, in place of the plastic, we are using wooden products. Earlier we were using plastic spoons. This is replaced with the wooden spoon. The toothbrush also is made of bamboo. The plastic glass is also replaced with the paper cups, and no plastic bottles are used in the room. In place of the plastic bottles, the glass water jug is being used. The carpet used in the hotel is a fire retardant carpet, and also this carpet is made from plastic free material. We are using 100% biodegradable garbage bags in the hotel. We are using India's only anti-bed bug mattress, which is also certified by NASA, and it's also fire retardant. In our guest room, the soap and shampoo which is offered to our guests is green and 100% herbal. We have already achieved the platinum level from Indian Green Building Council, and now we are looking at net zero. Jackson Inns is going to be India's first net zero hotel. All the initiatives discussed are the reason that Jackson Inns received Best Green Hotel of the Year award from FHRAI in 2018. I am also proud to share that our employee family is fully dedicated to this idea of green and contributes in every way to maintain the hotel green in all aspects. Thank you so much.